How to derive the quadratic formula from this, ax squared plus bx plus c, I guess it's equals 0. So the first step is I'll move the c to the right-hand side, ax squared plus bx. I subtract c from both sides equals negative c. Now I will divide everything by a to get rid of that a in front of the x squared. X squared, a divided by a is just 1 plus b over a x equals negative c over a. Now I will add something to both sides. This is an equation, so if I add the same thing to both sides, I maintain the equation, and I'm going to add b over 2a squared. So x squared plus b over a x. And what I do is, why am I adding b over 2a squared? I'm taking half of whatever the term is in front of x. That's what I do when I complete the square, and then I square it. So plus b over 2a, that's half of b over a, and then the whole thing squared. And whatever I add to one side, I better add to the other side to maintain an equation minus c over a. And now this, I've completed the square. This is x plus b over 2a squared. That's why I complete the square. I'll square this, b squared. 2 squared is 4, a squared is a, or a squared is a squared. And then I want a common denominator. I've got c over a. So a goes into 4a squared 4a times. So this is minus 4ac over 4a squared. So now I'll rewrite the right side. I've got x plus b over 2a squared equals b squared. It's starting to look like what? The quadratic formula, minus 4ac, all divided by 4a squared. They were over the same denominator. And now I'll square root both sides. X plus b over 2a. The square root of x plus b over 2a squared is just x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus, because I took the square root of both sides, b squared minus 4ac. And then the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of a squared is a. Now I will subtract b over 2a from both sides. X equals minus b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. And then since they're both over the same denominator, I will just combine them. X equals negative b plus or minus, this is supposed to be b square root there. Forgot the square root sign. Plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. And there's a quadratic function which gives the x value of the zeros, the x value of the solutions. And that's how it's derived.